Dear friends, this topic is on the case study 5 and we are discussing the business excellence model. We are talking about the business excellence model, okay. And in this, what is this business excellence model? The word itself, when you are running a business, you are looking at a situation where you have to excel. You have to excel because the survival of the entity depends on value creation, continuous value creation to the close button. No, no, sir. Continuous value creation to the stakeholders. This is a very important point. We will take up the subject to explain. But one thing is very important. How to excel, excellence. I'll give a simple example. Somebody went, he asked Ramakrishna Paramahamsa that I want to see God, can you show me? Because he was a great saint, so everybody were thinking that he is a man of godly powers, divine powers. And so Ramakrishna Paramahamsa used to tell, come tomorrow, come tomorrow. Daily he is coming. One day he caught hold of his head, put it in that Ganges water, Hubli river. That fellow, just like that, came out. Then he asked him, you want to see God? You should have that much of, that is, he wants to get out at any cost. That much determination you should have if you want to achieve anything. Nothing less than that. Nothing less than that. These are all techniques. It's a thinking only. It is nothing new. If you read that, it is going to explain you how, you see, the concept is very simple. When you are in a business, you have stakeholders. The stakeholders, starting with customers, employees, the shareholders, the environment, the government, and more number of people, planet, profits, personalities. Bottom line, top line. Whatever we are going to see, one word is, you should satisfy them. Satisfy them by creating values. Continuously, the values are changing. The expectations of the stakeholders is continuously changing. So you have to keep creating. And those people who can keep creating only will be in the business. We all talk. Every fellow you meet, they will be talking about excellence. Now if you are really excellent, then where is the competition? The competitor is also thinking competitive advantage to be created. So there are so many models are there how we are going to apply. But then we have introduced you to the quality management. That is very, very, very important for everything to achieve this object of satisfying the stakeholders by creating value to them. You have to depend on the quality management, and this both will be possible only when there is a fire in you to excel. Only when there is a fire in you to excel. That excellence is not going to be just like that in a tree. You can go and then pluck the fruit. But it is a constant, voracious efforts through which you can achieve. I will give you 3 examples, friends. You must remember all this, whatever I am saying, not story. How do you create it? I'll take simple example of Mr. Rajinikanth. This gentleman suddenly announced, I will starting a party. I am going to start lot of discussion. And in his speech he was telling that I wanted to become a chief minister. In 96 itself I would have become. But I didn't want. From then onwards, he is telling this and not telling this and not telling this. The chief minister post is not an ordinary post. You don't need knowledge. Technical knowledge not required, but politically you should be very strong. And elections means you have to run through the entire state of Tamil Nadu. You have to meet people. You should understand their problems. So he was, one thing we can understand, he is wavering, but a lot of discussion took place. But as a management consultant, if you understand, he has no passion for politics. And he doesn't know the depth of the waters. This is a different ball game. His core competency is acting, entertainment, which he's got a passion, and he has got a competitive advantage of action and a mass liking for him. But whether that will convert into votes, we don't know. People are not fools. That's a different ball game. He didn't do this. And now, the second thing is, this is where very, very good importance comes. You have to sit and understand. Everybody can tell I will achieve everything. It's not possible. You should have sat and understood what is that demands of this job. You have joined CA. Everybody says CA failing rampant. People get disappointed, demotivated. First CA lecture will always be a motivation. Every fellow will tell. But when you see on the date of results, when the exam people don't publish, morning they will announce, in the night only they will announce. The tension packed drama. It's not so simple for us to explain these things. But the person who achieves success is driven by his passion. His passion, do or die. For him there is nothing, he doesn't have like for politics. And somebody has told, some fellow who was a chartered accountant, he claims a senior person, a well educated CA man, is a public man. He was telling him to come to CA politics, this Tamil Nadu politics. It's not an easy game. So he has announced, after that he started, must be shaking. And his health is not, his kidneys, everything is borrowed kidneys. It's not in ordinary health. 71 years means he's like a 91-year-old man with all parts depreciated beyond. So now he got some BP, high fluctuations. Poor man, nice fellow. So it is not his cup of tea. Somebody is making use of him. Even if he becomes CM, can you handle all this? So, the target itself is wrong. Even if he wins, he may not sustain that long. The hard grill. Now itself his health is damaged. Others will enjoy. So therefore, whoever is his consultant, first should tell him very clearly, this is not your cup of tea. Even if it is that, it will not sustain. You be happy. You may live 1 year, 2 years, some time. By this you will reduce that. Correct, one. So first step is, if you want to think of excellence, everybody will talk about excellence. But that is a very, very hard work, hard work. Tomorrow I can see many of you becoming very great and large number of them dropping out. You mean to say all these people, we want everybody to pass the exam, but do you think everybody is passing? They are only within that 5% result. Therefore, lot of work. So that means you are now understanding goal setting. That is, I repeat, you have to create a fire for success. That is possible through excellence. The objective is well set, you have to create value to the stakeholders continuously. All that is there. For achieving this, we are applying this technology. Take next man in line, Rahul Gandhi. This gentleman, now we are very clear, I am very clear, is also has no passion. But this problem with him is, he wants to be in power, but he doesn't want to work. And the party has got an advantage that the minorities will vote for him. The nation is looking for some opposition. Completely, you know what is happening in the nation. You need a real opposition. Who can be in opposition? Only Congress. That's a national appeal. But this fellow, as a leader, he was not groomed at all. 10 long years, nice person, I like him. I like everybody. As a person, everybody is good. We are only not analyzing his goodness, kindness and all. Performance as a leader, excellence. What this fellow did, 10 years, he could have done something. It's a great opportunity to serve poor people, friends. It's a nation, we should die for nation. Remember, this is nation, we have to live for nation. We have to live. Otherwise, what is the purpose? We are going to die anyway, nobody will bother. But this chap finished. 10 years he was doing here and there. I used to go on defend him everywhere. And he doesn't know, he never been trained. Very powerful man. Power means so much. They don't know anything what is happening in India. They themselves cut their heads like Andhra broke up and all that. Then he came, something he tried. He was criticizing this and that. Then people voted, 12 crore people voted for him. That was an opportunity he is not able to see. He is not leaving the party and he is not able to see the opportunity. He is not allowing anybody to come. Nation is badly in need of a viable opposition who can question. He was telling, judiciary is compromised, media is compromised. What you will say? Who will fight with that powerful government? They will put you in jail. They will attack you from all corners. Who will fight? If a judge is passing an order, he is transferred next minute. Which judge will pass orders against the government? How can you expect everything come on platter for him and he will run this? No, he should go. In the interest of nation, he must go. But he has no passion. He will not go. Congress will get 0 votes after that, he will go or not go, doesn't matter. Nation will go. So, what models we can give him? Ultimately, winning, you give a model. So, you understand? Simply, all these models we are going to, technicals. First step is the objective macro level. I have been speaking to you, or at the macro level. And now, how are we going to apply? Each business has its own technology. How Jio always successful, whereas others are failing. And India, some retrospective laws came, billions of rupees in arbitration we are losing. What's going wrong? How you can sort out this? How you can sort out this will be the basis. You may be a great leader. That's why I am taking this subject. Understand, that is one background to give you. Everybody has got some advantage, friends. I am telling you. You should recognize that. All of you. You need to do search analysis. Everyone you have. But you don't recognize that. And you get disappointed for failures. You get frustrated. Everybody, why should others, a competitor, why should he come and help you? Because you are going to replace him. He will want to replace you. If many people are attacking you, that means you are a valuable person. Right? So, I repeat. You can achieve excellence in anything, but provided you think rationally. Think rationally. If you are giving reasons that your astrology is not good, this is not good, you will never find solution. This is the problem we are facing in India. The business has got this problem. Retrievable, you can't retrieve. In fact, I want to analyze so many issues. One leader, one person can solve many problems. What you think cannot be solved, irreparable problems can be solved in 1 minute. Remember, there is no problem without solution. Remember that, very important. You should believe there is a solution, then only you can work for the problem. I'll give you a simple example on many issues. India has grown so big because of liberalization. We have become massively big. And last 7 years, so many problems, demonetization, GST. Nation is being attacked. But still we are surviving. So nobody can trouble. But you can work towards growth of our nation by using this modern technology. Modern thinking. Nothing is new. You have to satisfy the stakeholders. You have to create value to the stakeholders. How? How? Who are the stakeholders? What are their satisfactions? What are their expectations? And what are their changing expectations? They must think, my dear friend. They want to throw you out. They should think you are better than the competitor. Then nobody will leave you. Nobody will leave. Understand, they should believe you will create value. Then everybody will come running to you. So that's it. I'm telling you one more point which I forgot. No problem is so difficult. Big problem will have small solutions. I remember I was appearing before the Madras High Court. Everyday strike. People used to come and lawyers, they will beat you up. Very tough chaps. And every time you go to the court, they'll come, strike, lawyers, big union, they'll say go. Judges will sit and keep quiet. One Chief Justice was shocked. He made a main complaint that this Madras is like this. They are scared to come to Madras, public statement. So everybody thought this is not solvable. We have to put up with it. Then came one Chief Justice. First day I was there in the court. Everybody came and then they were making some trouble to him. He looked at them first. He was shocked, but he looked at him. Second, he asked everybody to be arrested and suspended from the bar council. Completely solved. Completely solved. Understand? So I always remembered that example, and of course my close friends helped in media. One gentleman, my Times of India, Mr. Mani, and my friend who is in Supreme Court now, Mr. Ram Subramaniam. Really they worked, they took it on. He always used to tell me, "Hey, man dies but once. That's how he uses his English, and they solved it. So this, remember, this is the background. With you have solutions for every problem, and you are capable. You have some advantage God's given, and you can achieve. Now take that example. First part over. I am going to the second part. You have to imbibe all these things. You now I have as an exam, I'll give notes. Understand, very simple. But essence is what I told Rajnikant, Rahul Gandhi. Toughest problems, easy solutions. And ultimate goal is satisfaction of the stakeholder. Any problem, friends. That confidence is the success. And deal it in their straight manner. Understand? Okay. Now we are okay.